அளவுக்கு மீறினால் அமிர்தமும் நஞ்சு. A great statement in Tamil, which means that anything in excess, be it health, be it money, or be it wealth, anything in excess is always dangerous. And we should be contented with the limited resources, because the same excess which we acquire will become an enemy and will also be destructive nature in the longer run. So, instead of desiring more, let us have a minimalistic lifestyle and a minimalistic mindset wherein we are secured, happy, prosperous and wise. Thank you.